All right, if you are thinking about waving that flag high, a DIY install of a flagpole, for example, in your front yard, and you are, not up for something Jimmy rigged like this. This was our neighbors on game day. Yeah, baby. No, you want to do something a little more permanent, a little more sturdy. I wanted to make a video that just shows you the general process. Obviously, your flagpole will have specific install setups, but this flagpole that was recently installed has a really solid cement base, and it's got a sleeve, and you put the flagpole in the sleeve. It's pretty simple. Now, one little tip here, if you're looking to haul, load, and pour concrete, have the guys at the store load up the back of your truck or a truck with concrete, and then put your wheelbarrow right underneath the tailgate, and you can pour the concrete directly in and then get it wet with your garden hose as per the instructions on your concrete bag. And then you can go ahead and obviously dig the hole. You'll want to call to mark utilities before you do that, and then you put the sleeve in and you put your cement base around it, and you can just scoop it right out of the wheelbarrow or tip the wheelbarrow up bag by bag. And you'll want to let that cure. Obviously, you don't want to be putting your flagpole in when it's wet, so read those instructions really well. In this particular case, it was like a 4-day wait, and you want to make sure that it reaches its maximum PSI. And then you put the flagpole in. You're going to want lots of help depending on the size of the flagpole, and then you can put sand around it. That should level it in place, and there we go. We've got ourselves a flagpole. Pretty cool. Anyway, that is the general process. Again, read your specific instruction manual that came with it, and good luck with your project. You got this. Thanks so much.